Innovation is the key to a more streamlined workplace, and where better a place to innovate than on the backbone of metalworking. Efficiency, precision, and functionality combine to deliver superior results when using the Jet Elite horizontal bandsaw. Minimize overspray and reduce cleanup with the exclusive oversized chip tray. This bandsaw boasts an electronically controlled blade speed, a fully guarded 1-inch bimetal blade with a built-in self-propelled blade brush extending its life, a large hand wheel, built-in gauge, blade guides, and quick positioning visor, but a few of the features that make this Jet horizontal bandsaw among the best when compared to the competition. Other features include variable speed and a completely redesigned swing-away control panel. These are the most precise, the most durable, and also the safest bandsaws you can put in your shop. Every shop needs a great saw, so head over to Penn Tool Co today to secure your Jet Elite 10x18 semi-automatic variable dual mitering bandsaw.